finally we're in the city. Of course.
Okay.
That's where I wanted to come. And since yesterday,
What else you will do while you're here?
I'll do a little bit of shopping.
कितना टाइम लगेगा और 15 मिनट
15 minutes. That's the main city. Let's say that's the main city. This is not the main city. This is the main city.
हाँ बड़ा सिटी है
Yeah, now. Oh yeah, Bara city. But you get a good chance to relax here over here, away from all the work. So my professional life, I left at home. Now I'm here.
So
being
what
stupid.
about your professional life? Did you leave back home or
I'll take it on Monday. I'll take it back. I just let it rest.
this is your vacation? So
I just let
enjoy
it
yourself.
rest for some days and I'll take it back on Monday. Right now I'm here being stupid away from all the work life.
Stupidity.
Yeah. But this is personal life. I have another life too, not just professional. Kabam and tamiyat, you can eat good food for whatever price. I don't mind because it's on me. But for tomorrow, bam hi kanoman. I'm not a rich man, okay, but it's just that I have a big heart. So when you have a big heart, you have big money. So we are finally here in the LBD resort. This is our room.
Just check it out first, okay?
Yes, I think it'll be better. It'll be good.
Yes, studio.
I feel like this room is good.
It's good, right?
We don't want to change.
I think it's good. I thought it's different.
I told you if you come here, please visit this resort, LBD resort. It's a very good. I mean, yeah. It's good. We don't want to change.
You just asked him to operate the AC and everything.
Open. Can you open? They have a bathroom here. Okay. I think we'll take this now.
To check the bathroom first. Just check the bathroom.
Oh yes.
It's quite enough, right?
Oh, it's good. Look, check. Very
So
good.
you are satisfied with the room, or we'll just go check
Yeah.
another one? You satisfied? Or just go and check now for that?
No, no, I'll be here. और जब का जगह सा जो नहीं है नहीं करना लाऊं attach with swimming pool so the swimming pool करना कम stay तक swimming pool. Our hotel is also attached to the swimming pool. Our resort, sorry. It's too hot over here in Kolkata, West Bengal. Kolkata is too hot. I mean, not that hot, but I love swimming, so let's go.
Go.
See you.
Go. How big is it?
Hi.
Come in.
Welcome to my mansion. So, this is the top floor, so obviously we have to go in it. Whatever opens first. Ta-da!
So how do you feel so far?
I feel luxurious. I feel luxurious. Did you see this?
Sayang senang kat no jeng jurang mah. You will die from where? Hey. How's the water? It's cold or hot or?
It's Wow. It was amazing. The water is so warm and it was good because the place over here is too hot, no? So it was really, really good. I mean, when you stay in some place where we have a kind of swimming pool, it's really amazing. So when you do, especially when you're visiting a hot place like this, you should book a hotel with a swimming pool. Okay. Welcome back. This is a beach park because we'll take a picture later. Okay, see you.
After you swim, after your bath, where are you planning to go now?
I'm going out. I'm trying to do some shopping. Maybe if I have money, if something like that.
Just by looking at your face, it seems like you have plenty of money.
Oh no.
Let's go to the left side.
Oh no. I don't have a lot of money, but I have a big heart. I don't have a lot of money, but I have a big heart. So whatever I have, I spend. I don't keep money. Let's go from Singapore. That is for me. That is for me.
So, what are you drinking right now?
Mocktail.
What kind of mocktail are you drinking?
It contains just a little bit of alcohol. I mean, small, not less, just 0.5 alcohol. So I don't drink alcohol, and I don't encourage anybody to drink alcohol.
So, what are the name of the drinks? Yes,
No, it's a secret.
Okay.
I will not tell you. Thank you, sir.
Stop ingat pada kata kayu untuk lagi.
That's for me. It's okay, it's okay.
Thank you, we'll do it.
I told you this one. This one is compulsory when you try one. It was good. What did I say? I mean, I was just explaining about no alcohol. I do not encourage anybody to have alcohol, alright? Although this is, a mocktail where it contains a little bit of alcohol, 0.5% alcohol. But I don't drink alcohol, no. I don't.
Please, madam.
This is my evening tea, evening snack. So this is chicken sandwich. some cheese. Here, let me. Only cheese.
Get up.
Good morning. Good morning.
So get up, morning.
Swimming in the morning is good. As soon as you wake up, just go swimming, just go swimming, just go swimming, swimming.
Swimming is the best exercise.
Yeah.
Whole
If you're lazy to run, just swim.
Baka biro.
Baka ground floor bro.
Just
keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Thank you, sir. So early in the morning, like I said, if you feel lazy to exercise, just be lazy. Keep swimming. And it's raining.
Oh, it's raining.
It will rain in Kolkata for 2 days. For the upcoming 2 days, it will rain because scientifically it was said that the earth will be far away from the sun. For 2 days it will be like this. So it doesn't matter if it rains.
Just keep on swimming.
Just keep swimming. I'll try this thing. This.
Idli.
Oh. This one. Kain pelat. Kain pelat.
Huh? What up?
Salt papayas.
Negative.
Milk. कैसा दिखता है?
That breakfast is all for you.
Yeah.
We can eat that all. Eat all.
Okay. Oh yes. Don't you think I can finish all these?
No.
Bet. I can finish all this. No?
If you can eat all that, I'll give you 100 rupees.
But I can't.
Oh.